and the same variable can be output for someone else. Wonderful. This is really a very intelligent answer. We should clap for this. Wonderful, sir.
For example, we have seen date of birth, then age we can calculate. For date
Wonderful.
of birth, we should-
And there was one professor who was wanting to learn structural equation modeling. Who was that? Yes. So in structural equation modeling, this is very much applicable, where one factor, will understand what factor is. One factor is input for some process and is output for some process. But see how IBM SPSS has captured this thing, and within role they have given you the option of defining a variable as input also and output also. Now, can I ask you to quickly complete all 10 variables without my help? Pardon, ma'am?
We need to select any of this role and
You select input. So quickly fill all the complete variable view on the basis of all 10 variables. Yes, sir.
For the third row,
Huh.
for the row, what input
You put input. Huh. And though I have not asked you to do something about it, but please handle this column also, which is measure. And measure is ordinal, nominal or scale. I am leaving onto your judgment. You decide that this particular variable is going to be nominal, ordinal or scale. Yeah.
shorter terms you need to say, shorter letters I will take.
No, ma'am. We are in variable view,
Yeah.
right? And here is variable view.
Only variables should be entered here.
Yeah, name of the variable. The way I have done. I have put RN.
Father's
here.
education is.
First roll number.
Okay.
So write RN. Then second is FHE. Look at the screen. Huh? Do like that. Huh? Good. Sir, your laptop? No problem. So you do one thing. You quickly come here. Huh? So that way, what will happen? And please associate yourself with someone who is doing, so that you can look at it and then get. Otherwise, these fundamentals, if these are missed, then there will be problem. My pleasure. No problem. So just see how what she is doing. Sir, come sir. Ma'am, sir can sit here, please. Sir, sir, please sit. Just see what they are doing. You know? That way it will be more better.
Sir,
Yeah.
is it possible to shorten here also in the label 1 for physics ke jagah pe can I just write 1 for okay, you already done it. Okay. I didn't look at the board.
No problem. Yeah, ma'am.
For this name variable, measure it is showing as nominal, but for all other variables it is showing as unknown. Why like that?
You change it, na?
No, we didn't change.
You change it, na?
No, but why it is showing nominal for the first variable?
By default,
By default
it has to show something, na?
But for all others it is unknown. For the first one it is nominal.
Huh. So by default it is coming, and it is giving you opportunity to you to select options. Take time, we are not in hurry, because this is very important. I have mentioned that I had taken 6 months in learning all this. 6 months. जो जिनके पास है नहीं उनको किसी के साथ बैठा दो, है ना? You are able to do? Good. Yes, ma'am. No, at present you are creating only variable view. You are only creating the variable view and defining variables. You are not entering the data at this moment of time, है ना? Your all 10 variables should be put in the variable view. Ma'am, you have come up to 5 now. Go up to 10 because there are 10 variables. Na?
So yeah, that's what I was up to. I
Yeah,
entered this also.
yeah, up to 10. You have to feed all 10 variables. Yeah, ma'am.
आर्ट्स एंड लैंग्वेज के लिए मैं ए एंड एन यूज़ कर सकती हूँ?
कुछ भी कर सकते हो मैम, योर चॉइस.
तो वो एम्परसेंड से भी फर्क नहीं?
कुछ नहीं पड़ेगा. हाँ.
This nominal or scalar, what this thing actually means?
I have explained you in the beginning.
Okay, so the target, the one which explained, so the interval and the ratio is that.
Yeah.
But okay, so, but then it says ordinal and nominal. What does that mean?
I was explaining the example of do you like sweets?
Okay. Yeah,
So
right.
that is ordinal.
Okay. Right, and the other one, this.
Nominal, football numbers.
Oh, yeah.
हाँ?
Got it.
May I help you, sir? Take your time, don't.
So it should be first is the name here, right?
Yeah. Madhu ma'am, I am giving you a very good resource. She will help you. And you just sit with her and then help me, ma'am.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Your average marks for mathematics can be denoted as marks. What if it's
Your choice.
coming
You,
as
you
three
decide a
in-
right one. You decide a right one. है ना? Or look at my PPT. Or what name I had given. If there is any name, take a clue from there. Done. Very good. Huh.
Can we copy? We can't copy paste this.
You can
Here, from this,
from label.
yeah,
Huh.
the PCM, this,
Yeah, fine.
these
Yeah.
variables are same.
Yeah.
We can copy paste.
Exactly correct, ma'am. Do smart work, yes.
But it's not
These tests I have done it.
Not allowing it should allow, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All 10 done. Great. आपको तो आते हैं, ma'am.
How come, sir?
Control C, Control V, ma'am.
But here says, sir,
हाँ. Say you want to copy
yeah,
this.
copy
है ना?
this, controls. Not okay, we have to copy like that. Control C.